everybody, Jim King back out here in Lawrence, Kansas. We're working on our first phase of our 4-step project here, bringing this wall back that's leaning inward in the middle back to vertically level. Once we do that, that'll be completion of step 1. We'll seal all the cracks on the outside here, get our interior set up, install our piers will be phase 2. Phase 3 will be epoxy injection on the inside. Phase 4 will be the wall braces, 4-inch H-beams put along on the inside face of the wall, locked into the ceiling joist. The way we do it, sistering onto each joist beside it. And then that will conclude this job. Then it'll be backfill and clean up. And so stay tuned. First phase is going a little slow. It's wet out here, muddy. Makes it a little slower than what I anticipate, but we've got the interior, all the drywall's tore off. Got to come back and clean up pick up our bags of drywall. We've bagged up, and we'll be ready to do our interior setup and push this wall back vertically. It'll only take about 5 minutes to make this wall vertical. It's not leaning in all that greatly, so it won't take very long. It's the preparation and the setup to get it, to be able to come in there and push that wall back for only a 5-minute fix. It's going to take 2 weeks to get everything set up to do that 5-minute pushback. So stay tuned as we progress out here. King Piers for all your foundation piering needs. If you want the nation's best to fix your foundation, call King Piers, 816-288-4373. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. You can see all of our past and current videos and pictures of projects we've done. We showcase our works because we want the world to know who the best is. Thank you.